find the right fit. A bike shop can help you. The seat should be at a comfortable height. When you pedal, your legs should be almost completely straight in the pedal's lower position. You should be able to grip the handlebars comfortably. Check your tires. Press on your tires. Make sure that they are firm. Add air with a bike tire pump if they are not. Check your brakes. If you have hand brakes, squeeze them while you rock the bike in the front and the back. The tires will not move if your hand brakes are working well. If you have a foot brake, spin the black wheel and push down on the brake. If the brake does not grab the wheel, quickly have your brakes checked at a bike shop. Look at the bike chain. It should be tight. Make sure it is oiled and not filled with dirt. Listen. If you hear squeaks, rattles, or bumps, rubbing noises while you are riding, have a professional look at the bike. That's all for this video.